Chinese Boeing jet crashes in mountains with 132 on board, no sign of survivors. The China Eastern Airlines Boeing 737-800 was flying from Wangamia to Guangzhou when it plunged to earth in Guangxi province and caught fire. Rescuers have seen no signs of survivors. Chinese airlines generally have a good safety record. The last major accident took place 12 years ago. The crash has caused shock in China, where President Xi Jinping has ordered an immediate investigation to determine the cause. China Eastern Airlines has grounded all its 737-800s. Flight tracking data suggested the plane lost height rapidly from its cruising altitude before plummeting to the ground.